Hey everyone, this is Dad and Liam on Dad and Liam Epic Adventures, and on this one we are doing, Liam just bought his first real, not a toy, but an RC car that's not a toy. And this is the one that we picked.
Yeah, this is the
We
one that
picked this Drift Climbing King from Hyper Toy Company.
No.
And this is our first time using it.
Right then.
Right. This is our first time using it, and here we go. We're gonna turn on the remote.
I'll turn this on.
And then turn on the car. The light's off, and it's ready to go. Here, Liam, you want to hold the instructions? Thank you. This thing's pretty cool. You can change it, it'll go up. Now it can go off-road. This is ready for the street mode. And it can do this. It can do this. Liam, you will. Now it's gonna go forward. Here it goes, watch out, Liam! Liam! Liam, you're gonna try! It's coming at you! Stop. It can drift. It can drift the other way. You will. It'll drift this way! Liam! This way! It's coming right at you! Now check this out, guys. This is really cool. This is called dance mode. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do another one.
Say hi, friends! Hi! Those are
All right,
nice
press
friends.
the music again. Press the music again. See, yeah, you got to. Because it's the... Okay. Now Liam's driving it. Whoa, Liam! Liam!
Whoa. I'm gonna try to get it in the grass.
Take it in the grass? Let's do it in the grass.
The rat? I'm not sure. It doesn't even work in the grass.
Let's find out, ladies and gentlemen. All right, this is forward. Ready? Let's see.
It works! Oh my gosh.
Wow, isn't that cool? This thing goes pretty good. Keep it going. See where it can go, dude.
This is hard. Okay, get it ready for street mode.
Now put it for street mode. Press this brake.
Whoa.
This button. All right.
That's cool.
All right.